Hello everyone, welcome back to the Canva tutorial of this weekend and I hope everybody is doing great. So friends, as you know, today is Wednesday and I am back with a new Canva topic and today's topic is all about designing a concert poster. Friends, let's start designing. First of all, I'll make the background of the poster. For that, I'll go to background color and we'll make it black. Now friends, as you know that I will tell the name of the elements in this designing and for that I will tell you to watch the video totally. Okay, let's go to elements and I'll put some images like this and I'll just pull it upward. Just pull it a little bit downward and just reduce the transparency. Okay, my dear friends, just reduce the transparency. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll select a frame. I'll just drag it like this. I'll just make it like this. I'll just elongate it. Okay. And I'll just duplicate it like this. Okay. Again, I will just duplicate it. As you can see, it is going out. In that case, what we can do, we'll just pull this little bit this side and I'll pull a little bit this side. Okay. Now, what we can do, my dear friends, again, I'll just put a little bit this side and next side. So, all the frames will come in an equal way. Okay. Now, as you can see, all are equally placed. I'll just put it little bit upward. Now, friends, what I will do, I'll just select some good images. So, let's do it. I'll just select this image and I will just put it like this. And I'll go to edit image and I'll go to adjust. Okay. And I'll adjust this color because this is already the skin color. If I change it, the skin color will change, which I don't want. So I'll just change this color to match with the background color. Okay. So I'll change this one as like this. Okay. I think this much is looking good. Next, I'll put this image. For that, I'll select this image and I'll put like this. And what I will do, I'll just little bit pull it this side. Okay. I'll click on done. And then I'll go to edit image and I'll just go to adjust. And what I will do, I'll just select it and I'll just make it like minus. Yeah, I think this much is good. Right, my dear friends? And I'll just make it little bit this side. Okay, so this much is good. Next, what I will do, I'll put another image here. For that, I'll select this picture and I'll just pull it like this. Now, what I will do, my dear friends, I'll just flip it. Okay, my dear friends, and I'll just drag it like this. And what I will do, I'll click on done. Now, what I will do, my dear friends, I have to edit the picture with a background color. Further, I'll again go to edit image. I'll go to adjust. I just need to click on this one and I'll just put it like this so that it becomes little bit adjustable with the background. Okay, click on this also and just make it adjustable with the background and just make it little bit adjustable. This you have to make the trial and error process. Okay, so that it becomes adjustable with the background. Okay, little bit you can pull it this side and you can match with the background color. Okay, as you can see, it's going little bit and you can do like this color also. You can match with the background color. Okay, so this much is okay. Now, what I will do, my dear friends, I'll write the title. For that, I'll write like night show. And I'll go to what? I'll go to text. I'll select add a text box. and I'll write like, I'll just put it here and I'll just write like NIKNI. Okay, just pull it this side and this side also you have to pull it. So what you will do, just put it like this. Okay, little bit more. I think, yeah, this much is fine. Okay, and just make this color as white and go to then effects and just make it neon and then duplicate this and just write like show. And for that, what I will do, my dear friends, I'll just make this color as, okay. So as you can see, this is also looking good. And next, what I will do, my dear friends, I'll just pull it little bit upwards. Okay. Yeah. So this is done. And what I will do, I'll just pull this design little bit down. Why? Because I'll tell it now. What I will do here. Now, friends, what I will do, I'll just put another text box and I'll write like day. Okay. What is the day? I'll just put it like Saturday. Okay. Just drag it upwards and check. I'll just select another font that is Gotham and I'll just unfold it and I'll write like Saturday. Okay. Just increase this font size little bit and I think 20 will be good. What do you think? I mistakenly deleted it, but no worries. You can type like Command Z so that it will come in the previous stage. Okay, just go and just reduce this font to the 20. Okay, just go and just you can reduce like this. Okay, or you can click on it and just make it 20. That's all. And just make it like this, aligned with the show, and just again duplicate it. Okay, my dear friends, and write like the day when is the show. We have to put the day like August 17 because I think this week 17 will be Saturday. And just put it like this and just make it like again this color, and just make it bold. Okay, my dear friends. Just check that it is aligned properly and also placed above this picture. As you can see, it is little bit margin. For that, you can pull this one little bit down also because it will not having any problem if you pull it downwards. Okay. Now, friends, what I will do, I have already written the day and the date. Next, I write the timing. So I just duplicate it. Okay. And just try to drag it like this. And I'll write like start at, or else you can write like this and you can give the timing of the show like 8 p.m. I'll write. Okay. Just to make it little bit like this and you can make it little bit bigger also. Okay. So that it becomes visible. Okay. Now what I'll write about the concert name. Just make sure that you are aligning it properly. Okay. And also you check this side also. You will put it like side aligned. And now I'll just duplicate it. I'll just pull it downwards like this. I'll write like capital letter. Just pull it like this and make it bold and just make it little bit big. Okay. So that it becomes little bit bigger. Just make it right aligned so that you can understand what it's going. Okay. Now what I will do, my dear friends, I'll write like in the address. For that, what I will do, I will just duplicate it and I'll write the address like Indore So you put the address also, like this is a random name which I am giving. And what you can do, you just make expand it. Okay. Now what you will do, you will just select it and just reduce the size and make it italics. Also, you have to change the text color to this one. Okay. And just pull it upward. Now what I will do, my dear friends, I'll just pull all this little bit this side and this side. Now what I will do, I'll just take another line that I prefer to take this line. I'll just pull it this side and make sure that this line color is in white. Okay. Just pull it because it should be visible on the black color. Make sure that you are taking the entire thing and just make sure that it is straight. Now I'll just write like, again you can duplicate from here. Just take this and little bit you can increase the size also. Like right put here. Just expand this now like this and also make it right aligned. Okay. Now you make all these things little bit aligned and just duplicate this one. Just remove from italics and give your website URL. Okay, my dear friends. Just reduce the size or make it a larger size. Okay. And just make it like this. And make sure these are equally placed on all the lines. Okay. And you can also write like this. Just duplicate it and make it like at the rate. Yeah. So and make it little bit this side. Just make it this side. So our design is ready, my dear friends. So I think you will like this design. Also make sure that this is in the middle. Just go to position, go to arrange and make it center. Okay. Now I hope you will like this design and this design is also ready. So that's all, my dear friends. I hope that you will practice this design at your home. You can also show us your designs. You can also put the topic whatever you want to see in the coming week, and also you can give some comments which will encourage us. So this is Nijum signing off from HBNet agency. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.